Checking if your Android phone is carrier unlocked is a quick process that can save you a lot of headache before you travel or try to switch service providers. I'm going to show you exactly how to verify your status using two different methods, starting right inside your system settings. The most direct way to check without needing any extra tools is through your network settings. Open your Settings app and select Connections. From there, you want to tap on Mobile Networks and look for a section called Network Operators. You should see a toggle labeled Select Automatically, which is usually turned on by default. Go ahead and turn that off for just a moment. Your phone will start scanning for all available signals in your immediate area. Now, the important thing here is the results list. If your phone is unlocked, you will see a variety of different carrier names appear in a list. However, if you only see one single network name, the one you are currently using, it is a very strong indicator that your phone is locked to that specific carrier. Once you've seen the list, remember to toggle Select Automatically back on so your service returns to normal. Now, if you want a definitive answer, the most reliable way is using a different SIM card. This is the physical proof method. You'll need a SIM card from a carrier that is different from your current one. Maybe borrow one from a friend or use an old prepaid card. Power down your phone completely and use a SIM tool or a paperclip to pop open the tray. Remove your current card and insert the new one. When you power the phone back on, pay close attention to the status bar at the top of your screen. If your phone recognizes the new SIM and displays the new carrier's name with signal bars, you are officially unlocked. You can even try to make a quick call or send a text to be 100% sure the data is flowing. But if your phone is locked, you will likely see an error message immediately upon booting up. It might say SIM not supported, invalid SIM, or it may even ask you for a SIM network unlock PIN. If you see any of those prompts, your device is restricted to your original provider. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.